Hello anyone. I have a job to do on the lathe, and I have some kind of crazy job. I should to make special rings for another machine, and I should to make them accurate. How to make that to they are centric in all aspects. I made the part what I jam in the lathe chuck, and I set the part like so, and then I wanna slam it so, and the part with live center becomes jammed in the centers, and this way I can machine this part properly. I have only two of these kind of parts what should to make in this way, so I try make the video about how I machine these parts properly with this way what I thinked out. By the way, the parts, any lathe machinist know how to jam the part in between centers, etc, you know. So I make a video about this, and later you will see how it will goes.